Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Honda CTX700. This is a touring edition with the frame-mounted fairing, and it's automatic transmission. That's right, dual clutch transmission, ABS, automatic, beautiful condition, satin blue metallic paint scheme. Price to sell, $39.99. This one's got a couple miles on it, 38,000 to be exact, but she just ran through the shop. Got a brand new chain. Bike runs beautifully. Come by. Make your low seat Honda modern cruiser dreams come true. This automatic transmission CTX for just $39.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. All you need, put in gear with the thumb and take off. No shifting necessary. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.